Hello everyone and welcome to another Nowtrin Tech video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a restore point in your Windows computer. So you want to click on the search icon and type create restore, and this is it here, create a restore point. Click on that. So under system properties, it's on the system protection tab. Now I have a bunch of drives here. These are extra drives, but the main drive is C drive. So right now system protection is off. So if you have this off, you want to turn this on. Just click on configure, and under the restore settings you want to turn on system protection. Click on turn on system protection, click apply, click OK. So on the create a restore point now, for the drives that have system protection turned on, you want to click on create, and this is creating a restore point. It says type a description to help you identify the restore point, and the current date and time are added automatically. So you can type whatever name you would like for this restore point. I am going to say before upgrade. I'll click create, and it's creating the restore point. It says the restore point was created successfully. I'll click close. So if you want to revert back to the system restore point, you can do this here. Click on system restore, and this is the restore system files and settings, and you can read this. It says system restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. Click next. So I only have one restore point here, but if you have more, you can choose whichever restore point you would like. Highlight it, click next, and it says confirm your restore point. Your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the event in the description field below. And it says here system restore needs to restart your computer to apply these changes. Before you proceed, save any open files and close all programs. So when I click finish and restart the computer, it will revert back to the restore point. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching, and I thank you for subscribing.